Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 9 divided by 3 times these parentheses. Inside these parentheses, we have 1 plus 2. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. 1 plus 2 equals 3. And 3 times 3 gives us 9. We have here 9 divided by this. So 9 divided by 9, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. We first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to handle these parentheses. 1 plus 2 gives us 3. So we have 9 divided by 3, then times 3. Now we have one division and one multiplication. Multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first division and then multiplication. 9 divided by 3 equals 3 and 3 times 3, which equals 9. So our final answer to this problem is just 9.